Hey guys, today is another hilarious comedy compilation coming your way. Not my way, your way. So you better subscribe if you're still watching without subscribing. Turn on the post notification bell icon, like and share this video to all your social media platforms. And do not forget to comment your favorite moment in this comedy compilation. Alright guys, without further ado, let's quickly dive into this comedy. Yo, sharp.
Excuse me, let me take this call. Hello. You are now my ex. I don't know why you've been calling me. Is it because of the 2 GLE you bought? And the G-Wagon? And the houses in Banana Island? Oh, please. Please, please, please. You only give me 500k weekly.
Huh?
I have found someone better.
Better?
Yeah, I have found someone better. Don't call me again.
I beg, better person run no.
Baby.
Find someone with
Baby, where are you going
get
to?
2 GLE, you say a better person. Where? I too they rate me. I beg you go back to your ex. So.
Baby.
No pressure. No baby me. I beg.
Please just go back to your ex. How can you say your ex is better than this?
Wait. I can't say my landlord say I don't die. You can't dey shout. What if you hear your voice? Who go pay for the rent?
Bro, you get one demon where they come flog me every 12 o'clock in the night.
That's
Demon?
bad.
I swear. For 10 years now, you don't they flog me.
Iyo Saloba.
Don't
Demon they flog you every night. Now you can't sleep for my house. Okay, you want me the demon leave you can't they flog me? You don't get conscience.
How are you guys going to solve this? That's
Don't
what
do
we'll
no
be
cry
talking
again.
about. The next day. It's 12 in the afternoon.
I quick on today. 12 o'clock never still reach. Major wait.
Jesus. I've changed the time and the demon's already sleeping. Fast asleep. Yeah, the
money. They don't break. Wait till make you want use cane finish this guy.
I be what tell her about Chris analysis.
I use
Wait till be Chris analysis.
Now sports prediction platform where they give sure odds for games. You want just to click the link where they for Mozkoh and it will take you to their Telegram channel.
Lie.
They are tested and trusted and are
You
free.
want to tell me
So now
about
because
updates?
of updates, now make you vlog this boy for 10 years.
You got to collect back your
Bros,
case.
what do you want to do?
Jesus! Wait till happen, you won't kill her.
Thank you.
Demon has been caught.
Yeah, welcome.
That is the worst ever. Cutlass, pa on your back. The demon is actually a mugu. How can you come up?
So I have nothing to worry about. Everything is going as planned. I'm telling you now, everything is going just the way you planned it. Okay, what happened? Somebody took my phone and ran away. One pass. He went this way. No, my phone. Okay? You just said I heard the boy pass. Yes, he went this way. Jesus.
We don't get it, forget about it.
Okay, how the boy? You said I heard pass, Abi? Yes, he went this way now. I cannot lie. That boy be like say they fast. We gonna talk about 3, eh? You go pass here. You go here. Ma go this side. Go.
Yeah, I've left you.
I'm pretty see Papa. Because the way I'm seeing
That boy. We don't check out, but we need to see him. Describe the boy how he did. He went this way. What will happen? We go gather our energy together. Attack him for here.
No, it's okay.
But no,
don't worry. You guys have really tried for me, eh? After all, that's not my main phone. My main phone is at home, eh? Let me just appreciate you guys. Please, eh.
okay, we know the line person for this street.
Who do I give the money? Okay.
God bless you.
Thank you. God bless you.
all this one, they are not ready to carry the team. They are just hustling on their
What kind of problem is this one today?
We're going to see how we end this time.
Let's say that man a correct guy. We help him for shooting for no catch him. Just to show us love.
And you feel sharp.
So good people like that sit there for this country. Bros.
Agree to, bro.
That's the guy that stole my phone and they are trying to help me catch.
This guy?
Yes, he's the one that took my phone.
You see phone, you see there, you know so you go wrong. Wrong.
And they never leave you.
No.
You are tolo.
Okay? Thank God so we use our IC and this time we'll catch and bring them for you. Just some.
Wow! These things are superb.
Okay.
Now your head correct.
So now here are they. No wonder. I don't have this place since. No problem. No problem, man. No problem. When I take the
showed
phone.
yourself to you.
Hey, I don't know what I do. Nice one.
Since you don't know where you did, there's no need to shout, there's no need to disturb yourself. Just know that your phone is gone. In Yoruba translation, Otilo. I really love Olu Papa. This guy name is Olu Papa and the boy of Sabinus. Oga Sabinus. Alright, we'll head into the next comedy compilation video. Keep enjoying and keep streaming Crity React channel. Oh yeah, let's go. Look, Papa, your time is up.
So babe, when are you giving me the money?
Child! I think that's stupid. When you're making this, you get more account now.
Jesus.
Why are you anything? Hey! Go walk! Jesus!
Is that why you're shouting at me?
Why not go shout for you? Since last day, don't they beat me. Even reach this January where everybody just the guide. You see they beat me. This January where everybody they push on for pockets, maybe it's not carry them. Now you see they beat me. I bet come they go.
Go where? Me, I'm not going anywhere.
You say?
I'm not going anywhere.
Let's have it. I'm going to name it. Umeh we can't go to Dibia. Yes. Come they go. Ha! Give me the code.
Talk to you don't go when you don't see grab. May you use one hand. Rubbish.
You be a kashiri kekubunka balaba showbo.
Argument na dey.
Yeah, fine. Come on, buy on that gen.
Come on, off that gen. You are still all in the gen. They have not used it to do anything now. The gen needs to be off.
Welcome. What do you want?
Come back. No worries, except for
What do you want to buy that we cannot hear?
Paracetamol. Okay. Alright, have a nice day. So what do you want again?
Okay, I want that.
I will buy something.
Yourself.
That.
So what do you want?
Breakup. Sorry, I want that.
Fra Pluto.
Fra Joshua.
God bless you. I didn't see you in church last week Sunday.
Yes. Travel, I just come back.
So what do you say you want again?
No worry, you send for that. I know what I want to leave by. I don't check here. I don't see him.
But you didn't tell me. Tell me first now. Let me check it out.
Don't worry. What I want by, I know the year. See you on Sunday.
All right. Give me condom.
Jesus! Even your church member on that person. You guys pretending this and you want to buy the book.
Jesus! Will you shut up your dirty mouth? You useless blogger! I pay you 1.5 million naira. May you take boost my Instagram for me. You boost account finish, nobody follow me. Even my whole family will follow me. I know say I don't lose my followers, so I will make sure you lose your life.
Oh God, beg. People go follow you. You just have to be patient.
Patient for how long?
15 to 30 years.
So now this one you get to tell me. Boys! We done with you, Andre. Oh, now you start not telling me my rituals.
Come on, man.
What did happen for you? Okay, shut up your dirty mouth. It's none of your business. Okay, you better tell me what did happen for you, unless I'm going up here. So you really want to know what happened? I paid this blogger 1.5 million. May they boost my account for me. It's coming. 2 followers I don't see. Never told them make you the fool yourself. Never hear about extra boost. They boost all kind of social media accounts. If not views you the fair, if not followers you the fair, if not share you the fair, if not comment, you they run everything. You mean this thing when you talk so? I could learn for you. If you take contact them, visit their website soboost.com and thank me later. Very good. Now, release that man for me. Let me take him away. You're fit to carry him.
Where is he taking him to? Like, where is he taking him to? I hope that place is not worse than the one guys are taking.
Speedy, please help me buy a bottle of water.
Sir, water is 500.
My friend, give me this thing. How much will be bottle water for mainland?
This is why economy one killer. I don't know between him and Cool Prince who is more stingy like.
Nurse, well done. I am the husband to the pregnant woman in Ward 5.
Okay. Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Thank you. Please, how much do you people deliver baby here in the Lekki hospital?
So that doesn't matter. What matters right now is that your wife is all right and she has a safe delivery. Okay? Just calm down.
Because you know my son, my first son, he's in Liverpool. He's a doctor. So I know how these things are. All my children, I deliver them on the mainland. But this my new wife, is assistant that I bring her here to the island. How much do you take for hospital be here for delivery? Because I don't want to begin to hear million.
Oh, no. I thought up to $1 million.
Okay. Yeah, but it's how much?
900 and...
My husband, please take me back to the hospital.
Jesus.
They have not finished measuring their amount. Don't carry come on. Mainland! We are going to mainland, no more island. It's very fast.
I don't put my hand for the left. Who said when we can put my hand?
Papa, tell her to keep pushing. Tell her to keep pushing.
Put your hand for the left. Put your hand for the left.
Barrier.
If see, I know, I for allow these people to do the work now. Now it's a surgery because of complication. 3.6 million naira.
It's a pity for you.
This is worse than Pennywise.
For mainland.
Pound Pennywise.
Sell it.
They would have done this thing for a very long time. But now all this stress and everything, it's even more than that amount they told me. I'm maybe run away from the hospital. Going to mainland, we'll see what will happen when you get to mainland, alright? Already in mainland.
My brother, the 5,000 naira there, yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, your money now 47,800.
For what? Why you talk like that? 47,000 naira for where? For why not to come here?
Okay, now from the app now. You know how much you buy fuel?
Carry me go back where they come from.
Enter motor man, they carry you go to the bag. Enter motor man, they go.
And you're still following him to where he picked you guys from. Is this not madness? Something. Oh, last boy. Comedies or calling. Just leave that.
Look at how I lost my own wife for them.
It's okay. It's okay. It is God that gives, and it's also God that takes. So you have to endure, uncle. Endure.
It's okay.
And so, uncle, I have done the calculation for the funeral.
Okay.
The price for the coffin is 1 million naira.
Look at my face. Out of me and you, one go dig ground.
Say it again. I have been battling. He finally lost his wife, and now you're telling me 1 million. Let's see Motell.
Bros, I beg.
I don't get kerosene. What be that now?
What?
What do you want?
No be kerosene I want to ask you for.
What do you can want?
Nah, that liquid where they put inside lantern. Where they...
What do you mean that?
Kerosene.
Get employed and to be outside. Wasting my time.
It's okay, sorry. I believe she's chilling with Amika right now. So stop crying, it's okay.
Let her be this one, mommy.
What happened?
My mama, she just wake up this morning, they shot my head in my head. That's what she take for die, oh, Chinekele. And before she died, she said I cannot give anybody anything on credit.
Huh? She's still waiting.
She said I cannot give anybody anything on credit.
This innocent woman. Yeah. She go die for New Year. Madam, I beg.
Get to cooking it. Even for that, you know, go allow me rest in peace. They got to give her 2 cups of curry on credit. Make her rest in peace.
Thank you. I bet put the Jebu Gari. Now that one they rise.
So why is it doing as if Ko is catching you?
Madam, wait. What is it? Madam, wait. Make she has sugar.
Just give her sugar. Make her rest.
Why is he talking like this? As if he's catching cold. Everybody's asking me.
Has sugar. Thank you, Make a no rush bury am o. I won't go collect Indomie tomorrow.
Jesus. Hey. You are all about your own pocket. You're not even concerned about to buy. You're not even like you're just about your pocket. This is unfair, honestly. I think this one is different. This one is easy, Baba. Whiskey doesn't fight with fans.
Take him easy. Calm down, no down.
Kick fan, whenever they come to him on stage. But we're gonna see other celebrities how they react.
For everybody.
How they react being hugged by fans. Let's see. This one is Whiskey and Jeje, Starboy. No time. I think this one is Rema. Oh yeah, let me decide. It's gonna be. This one, Tiger. As small as you are, Rema, you'll be fighting people on stage. Fans that made you stay. Man. Especially Poppy. I think this is Zeridiel and Charlie Poppy. This is how they used to do. Oh, this one. The walk. You know this walk type. But now boy no go kill us. So.
You gonna explain tire.
He needs to protect himself. This is about protection. I don't know his own.
Boss!
You know, I expect him to
Call me my money now. You don't swear I don't defy you. You don't defy since you don't give me my money. What's the apple? Call me my money now. Okay, calm down. How much I owe you where you shout? Make I calm down. You know how much I don't know to say you owe me my money. Where tell me say where you owe me? Where are the shout? Okay, leave me. I'm gonna try to tell you. No give my money again. No give my money. No give my money again. Hey, guys, you don't fix me. No give my money again. You don't give my money. No give my money again.
For this hot soul, leave him. You calm down now. Why would I fight?
Take this foolish Mozkoh. Mozkoh they don't owe my money since last 3 months. They don't want to pay my money.
Why you don't want to pay money?
Nobody say I don't want to pay money. I get money. But just I don't get naira from my account. I look for you. I get Steam card. I look for you. I will trade the Steam card. All these online vendors they scam me.
Who's they look for where to trade gift card? Eh? You never hear of Card Brothers?
Card Brothers.
Now let you know about Card Brothers. You do own your brother. Eh? Now the platform where they create for Nigerians to trade their cards, gift card, Steam card, call it. They're on iOS and they're on Play Store. If you use this invitation code where they're on this screen, if you sign up, download that fast, make you pay me money. Make come on here.
The transaction fast. They don't credit me.
Yeah, pay your debt.
Call your account number. Where now? 2233. Sent. Save. I beg you, I don't send your money. Now God save you. Now God save you. Your money for day. I don't send the money. Thank you very much. I will trade with them. Thank you.
Amen. It's gone.
Now what do you this thing now?
Is
it? You know what thing they do, but you don't know what thing they do. You know what thing.
Bombastic side eye.
Honey, Happy New Year.
Odaku, Happy New Year by this time.
Crossover service that you went to is December 31st. Okay. January 7th, you're coming back and telling me Happy New Year.
Oh, Pastor.
We listen.
We don't. Pastor was chair for 1 week now. With a clean ground, the clean children church.
Pastor she was chair.
1 week.
You know you can be lying to others, but you cannot lie to me. The same pastor that pastor wife, let me tell you if you don't know. The pastor wife slept here since 2 days now. And he tell me say the pastor know.
I can't stop it. And
That's all. Pastor wife. No, forget. Happy New Year, my sister. Happy New Year. How was the service? Welcome. Oh, more wins. No. Don't stop. No.
If they tell me something on my wisdom, this guy thing go fear put to me. I don't believe for my life.
Now they
I don't believe. I don't blame you.
This one
I
go
blame
meet
myself.
Pastor wife. This one go meet Pastor Gongo. They call themselves. Nobody blame each other. We listen. We don't judge. We can never.
Hello. Pretty.
Papi. So me that at first night the Kaba say no weapon fashion against you shall prosper. Now this thing should be the weapon.
Odmod, leave this weapon, make him prosper against me.
Papi, don't start again this new year.
No be your new year resolution. Let me talk.
Leave woman, make woman leave you.
My brother, leave her. Behind every successful man, there is always a woman. Hello, Pretty, excuse me.
Me, I don't concentrate too.
Excuse me, just give me your number. You know the sun is too hot. Please excuse me.
Give me your number.
I thought you were... Hey!
I don't want God to punish you. It's like mad people are doing mistakes inside your head.
I want to take a look more now. Then carry that machine, come out from there. Where my phone? God. Yes! God, if you just save me from this one, I will never touch any woman again.
Stop running. I'm not here to hurt you.
Madam, just free me. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you, avoid me. Avoid me. In fact, I don't need a relationship anymore. Please, I beg you in the name of just God. Like I said, if he save me from this one, I will never toast any woman again.
Hey! We are both looking for the same thing. I am honey. Come and make love to me.
Spirit and the human being have nothing in common. Please, I beg you. Now mistake I use call you. I don't know say you
go your way. Oh.
Just forgive me.
Hey! For over 12 years, I left this world. I never see who go knock me. Thank God say you dey here now to rescue me. Now come and make love to me.
Is it Ibangonga?
Madam, what you are asking is too much. I can't do it. You know you are a spirit. I'm a human being. Just allow me.
If you move one more step from you, I will take you to my word. Now repeat after me.
I hope say if I talk this one, you will let me be. You allow me go. Please.
Repeat after me. From today.
From today.
You will never look at any woman again.
I will never toast any woman again.
You will never follow any woman.
In fact, I will never look at any woman again, I promise. So can I go now?
Now we both have a covenant. And any day you break it, that will be the end of your life. Now put your number.
For which phone now? You know,
put your number. This is your phone.
Hi. I said the phone dollar. I said the phone dollars. Hi, Tessian.
That is not why we're here. Come and make love to me. Hey! I'm talking to you. Come. Come, I'm ready. Come.
You'll be fine. You have seen
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You know as we have gone there.
Kevin Blaq comedy on this one.
That's
always running out of luck.
You know, eat and be eaten.
I don't understand, Chief.
Don't worry, you understand. You know. Welcome.
Thank you.
Why are you doing like you don't know why we are here?
Chief, I don't know why we are here.
Even there, I spent so much. Exorbitantly. I spent all the money that I have. You know, and you
because
know.
You want to now.
Yeah, because I want to.
Yes.
So you have eaten
not
me.
ready for.
Now it is my time to eat you.
You follow you to eat
Chief,
all
I
the
don't
money.
understand.
And now
What do you mean you don't understand? Hey, one was. Are you a children?
No.
No, dear.
Nah, Chief, I'm not to Namaka. Can I now? Because he never told Maka. I want to do Namaka. Not the Lazo.
Oh!
Okay.
No. Don't change.
Yeah, ka mgbabalụ gị ọsọ. Ịbatala ogwe m mgbabalụ gị ọsọ. Ilile ego n'isi m. Gịnị ka ili ala azụ? Ọkwa mụ na gị talịa ịchọzi ịta m.
Mba, ọbụrụ nwa agwọ a ga-ata m.
Nwa ga-ata gị.
Agwọ dị eri agwọ.
Chief, ibunigo mmụọ mụ.
Mba, butuo.
Ibunigo mmụọ mụ. Kere ma pịawa ihe ibunigo mmụọ mụ. Chief, sie ya, ka ihe ọ na-esi. Ọkwa ọnwụ. Ngwo gị ihe, nobody go look for you. Guy, omuru onye ya achụ gị. Ihe m na-agba gị na-abụ na isi eme this side. Esi m otu nwoyi. Ị na-aghọta? So gị go ebe nwaanyị azụ. I want for you. You get my azụ, ị ma be gị. Biko. Chief, get m ntị. Ihe abụọ the last time. Ị ga-ebu nwaanyị n'otu kpabịa aka. Ọ nza ya ịbanye. Nsị gị na ozugbo. Kono zube.
Okay, ịzanye mba.
Ịbanye nsị gị na ozugbo. Ọ ga-esi eme ya ihe.
Mana ị ga-azanye. Mba, enwe n'iwe.
Mmegbu this man o.
Biko.
Chief, Jesus. Oh. Who do you this? Hi. Ogunde Ozogi got one side. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Uja na atugi daddy kwa.
Kucha ka nneke.
Uja da atugi.
Kucha buru uja.
Okay. Wow. So, Chief, like this now, me and you there. Manampu moto, ibada there, manon, can solve again. Yes, on chat.
Oh, you are from Onitsha.
Yes.
Oh. So, I didn't ask.
So like this now, we go sleep peacefully, me and you. Akaga manga jungle over moto. By that way, so maybe I will not say water.
Okay, hand must not move.
Yes.
Okay,
Water.
yes.
So come on, Abo.
Okay.
I don't know, name my bicycle, first. Chief, you spent on me.
Yeah.
As not Chineke goes in the
He said,
Chief. Are you
praying for him? Or you should have been praying on the...
And I want so I go man number come away and not water.
Chief now don't fear. In mind now. If I try me nonsense, this girl go back to his mood. I don't feel it. One day she will meet a man. This just attack me.
Get your way now. I don't see way.
Waiting they vex you, let me know.
Don't want to Chief what for you? This small baby, don't tell Malo.
Oh, the bed is it small? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's small.
Never about himself. Can
okay, the place will not be enough for you.
Chief, you know my wow.
But
don't follow now.
Okay, I should go and sleep.
Guy, no na back on the and your neighbor. I sleep everywhere. What I go when me came after na palo na bag. Just drop back on your neighbor place. Anyone. Just zelo me. What I go?
Oh, zelo ge.
Papa, ngwana.
Udo.
Kodi moro.
Ngwano. Okay, they sleep everywhere.
Papa, you put them more or motu.
Oh.
Papa na.
Ngwano.
What is going on in your life?
Ngwana.
This chief has been ruined.
Ngwana.
Oppression by a woman. You cannot.
Oh,
God, leave. Woman, I they oppress you. You spend it. This is robbery, in fact.
Why, man?
Updated robbery.
Papa, na.
Okay. Wait a minute. So, I'm Papa.
Papa, no, become
Oh, Crity can have book us at that.
Let's see this one from Mr. Talkless.
Yes, as I told you, that 2 GLU, yeah, other now. 2 GLU.
GLU.
Come on, take it off. Yes, 2. Hello. 2 GLU, yes, for me. I thought you said this year, now shut down nowadays. Very soon they go enter here. Just call me Ebelebe Bangs.
Ebelebe Bang.
Come on. Now wait, they have to buy Benz. Then they hold me, they pass me, they touch me. Money. God. People.
Cool
when
down.
you have, they will come. When you don't have, they will run.
Relax.
When money dey, friends go dey. When money no dey, friends go go.
If like say this one doesn't
you a gold digger as a wine. Now I know you a Benz digger.
Diggy go. Hey babe, wetin dey happen now? This one wey dey order for Benz.
They play now. See what make I tell you. Get wetin my guy introduced me to. Get people wey dey introduce. They call them third tips.
Third tips.
Third. The company na third group. They get third exchange, third autos. Then they can't get third tips. Now these third tips now, maybe all this channel we go the house they do prediction for Telegram channel. No, this one now they help you grow your betting account. If na 20k you fund or 50k, na 20k they go help you grow to 200k. If na 50k you fund, they go help you grow to 500k. If na 100k, now the money you know they give them. The money go there for your own betting account. Their own now your own na to pay 10k, join their group. They go they give you game. Then they tell you how much you go use stake.
Aye. Nah.
Now, you as you they stake, you know, so the other one they go just give you, leave you go stake them. This one they go they guide you how you go take stake them, then how you go take the withdraw. Then they go grow the account under 2 weeks, 3 weeks when they grow and finish. They go close the group, open another one for the next month. If you still want join, you join the next month. Every month something.
So like this now.
Under 3 weeks now grow this money.
So now you don't get like 300 million. Now we want to stay by Benz them and GLE. Hey,
no be no I beg go. Don't be 200 million.
Baby phone.
DJ you are by the now 40k each. That's 80,000.
Wait.
2 of them.
GLE 40,000. You know it be GLE.
Mob now.
Wait, clean your mouth. Something in your mouth. You know those. I know say your thing are just nonsense. Then they use 40,000 by GLE.
Now
I beg come up for
Chinese
this
company. Now China man now. Now why you cheap? Now from China the thing. Wait man.
So
wait man call the China guy. May see him now. May see the China
so
guy.
all the money where you stake now, you don't use them go dash China man.
Now China man 80k GLE. Wait,
Nah,
see the guy now. Hello my friend.
Hello.
You're a black guy. You can't come now and chop you work. So no man. China. I got to go call you.
Hey, baby. You see all those romance why I romance you? No, if no be say they know they collect romance back. After they say me give me back my romance. Because she nonsense. Okay, but yes, that's true.
What this guy been first call me no Igbo, now he don't change to black. Now not be work or the child what that.
I beg before then you go they cry for this thing. I beg first teach me how to join that third group.
I just use the link on my bio or the link on my comment section if you're watching from Facebook. Anything when you know what's going to happen.
Waiting go happen.
You could help me do juju make I find who.
Man, they never leave you.
Hey, friends are weekend. When money day, friends go day. When money no day, say why go. Hey! And it's awada me. Now no one now. Men are too down there.
You are coming back, and this time around, you're going to bomb everywhere. Boy, I'm going to buy 5 GLE. Well, you are a Mugu. How can you be paying for GLE 40,000?
Hey, yo, call that crap, my nigga. Call that crap, my nigga. I'm a gangster, my nigga. Back in UK, I'm the gang leader, my nigga. If you try me, I'm a pull you, my nigga. Don't you know I'm falling, my nigga. Don't try that shit, innit?
Who goes that man there? Make una laugh.
You see that guy now? Now he be the cost leader for this area. Come on, go meet.
You go no say abroad and Nigeria no be the same thing. You get located.
I suppose relocate, boy.
You want compare gang leader from abroad.
Voila.
From abroad and gang leader in Nigeria.
Osato, move that boy. Me also me call ask you why you go they ask all my friends. If me get another check, so me tell the guide if you not there.
I don't understand. Why won't I ask your friends if you have any other girls outside?
So me when lie for you say I not get another girlfriend, say only you want me get. Me no get sense.
So you've been lying to me all this while.
Of course, my future start the lie for you. 25th of December when me take saying transport when you stranded me.
It's not stranded me, you were stranded.
You know me, all are the same.
Who be this boy?
Not be Chichi later call. Today say no be who be your ton self. Today na Jennifer ton. As me you take call and she not dey active. Now why I take call you make you come. As me who take see you say I shock.
Aliko, so you have been cheating on me all this while.
You
know what? I'm done with this relationship.
Osato, you won't break up with me?
Yes, I want to break up with you. I cannot date a guy that has many girlfriends.
Osato, this is 2025. You know if you call the beg, you gotta go your pass.
If you know the money, it's too early. Go, 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 go. It's too early to beg. Because of
You're sharp.
You're sharp, my brother.
I swear.
Reduce expenses from your pocket, man. So let's see this one from Denzi. Play me that too. Let's go.
Neighbor. Don't neighbor me. I said don't neighbor me.
I'm so sorry.
Oga, tell your children to reduce the noise.
I will talk.
Allow me and my children to sleep.
On a more serious note, honey, let's start this thing once and for all. Go and face our daughter, let me go and face our son.
Agreed.
Yeah, this boy. Come on, reduce that music, guys. Don't you know that music is too loud? Everyone is trying to sleep, you are playing a very loud music.
Mommy, I'm sorry, it's just that I've been trying to create more music since Share Paddy made promotion very easy.
Share
Paddy, Dad?
Paddy?
Yes. It's a platform that connects artists to creators who can help promote their songs on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. And as a creator, you can earn more money by posting and creating videos for artists on social media platforms.
Earn more money?
Yes.
Hope you signed up, oh.
Dad, you think all this noise I've been making for the platform we can do it for nothing?
How, man?
Share Paddy helps me promote my music on various platforms extremely well. Now I'm making good money.
I think we should just allow them do their thing, though.
Let them enjoy themselves. Because the noise is not even that serious.
What is big that we cannot handle?
I think we can enjoy it now. Let them enjoy their talent.
We are twinning.
Money. Go.
Hello? Oh, God. Is it not till we fight? Is it not till we fight? Me and my children are trying to sleep. Tell your children to shut up.
Yo, come over there, you don't create. Make I tell my breadwinners to shut up. It's not good that no share PD for your children.
No, baby, share Paddy.
Sorry, my love. Not good that no share PD for your children. Oswald.
He said share PD.
Why can't you just listen to simple instructions? What does that have to do with their babe? What is your problem?
You know what? This is why I want to break up with you. Because you nag a lot.
I nag.
I'm even done with the relationship. What is it?
You want me to beg you again?
Why would you be nagging like that?
Go!
Now you pay this one.
Go! Better don't come back to this house.
What brings you to my shrine?
Easy, why? It's a new year 2025. And I want to enter a serious relationship. But before I ask any girl out, I don't know if there's something that you can do that will make me to see the future and the true character of that girl before I ask her out.
You think that your eye can behold the secret of the universe. Wear these glasses and you will see the character of any girl. Take it.
I need this glass. I need 3. So that I won't be wasting my time. I will just easily and quickly detect the best person for me.
This and also this.
And this one too?
Yes, what about this?
That is total of 95 million naira.
Alright, this is my boyfriend's cash.
Are you playing? This is playing. High life, babe. Let's see this one. Let's see your lifestyle. Oh yeah. Let's see your this one are thief. This one's already stealing. This one will steal all your money in your own life. You never seen anything. Oh, please don't be angry about the sound. Yes, I have to, silence the sound or add an effect on it, to avoid copyright claim on my video. That is why I'm doing all this. So bear with me. So that is it.
What are you doing here?
I'm very, very sorry. I want us to come back together. Look, I'll manage your nagging attitude.
Oh, now you know.
Manage
you can manage
my
the nagging.
Oh, hey, baby.
Somebody else going to take your place. There is nothing you can do at this point in time.
Come close. So much.
What is this?
Now you are free and Jesus. Find the best, babe. Let's SMS 001 on this one. Let's go.
Today I will 45 people. And what they shoot you for this?
Are you guys going to rob? That you came for bounce.
They're not going to shit on me.
I'm on the train.
It's like it has died.
My brother, wait.
Tell me your brother. You don't call after me. What come on and carry the thief have been waiting in the corner.
I go kill you.
But from today, they wash your back.
No kind of thing. Like, before we talk about that, let's see comedian Waris on this one. Finding true love or fake love. I don't really know. In this video, we are going to know as we keep watching. Once again, do not mind.
Yeah. Hey, you be mumu. You think this is right? Jesus. Jesus.
When the relationship is old, the relationship don't sour, attitude go poor. You're not going to open the door for her anymore. Now when it is Shaggi, it is sweet. But if you don't hold no level. POV, it is your first date in 2025. Let's see this one from AGK and the ladies.
You not tell me before so you carry your friend follow body come now.
Don't pop.
I clear. I said, I clear like mad.
Yeah, what's up, my people?
I clear like mad.
Do you know there's an app where
He was even thinking, how am I going to sort out the bills of this baby girl? I told you to come alone. You came with all your friends and acted to be a gate man.
You can see it on Safari and Chrome.
I'm not be security and they even say if you don't get money, clear.
You know, Pino says it's the best app now.
At present,
social media apps, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You know what to do.
Wallah, I'm most clear.
But this is 2025. You have to start making money. You know they look me. Go download the app now.
Let's go to the next comedy.
Better. I don't come. Go see me now. It's okay. Mama.
Jesus Christ.
Doctor. You know what they do so?
Are you okay? You know how people don't treat? You see some loco. You see Mr. Ibu. You see Makadasi. You can't even treat Felakuti. Mommy treats them.
They play.
What do you even do me for?
Makadasi then now.
Jai! You wanna tell me now? Now I'm gonna give him 15 Brastamol. Hey! No. Sorry. This guy gave big pain. We need to give him injection for prick.
Jesus!
I'll run. I'm not feeling fine.
You see the market when I go, so you see the money when I can't go market. The money finish, I mean. The money finish, I mean not finish. I see buy the face copy. Eh? So your mama travel now, so you not see the kind of money we will spend for this. And now only me and you just calculate the time I see the full family complete. That my waiting me to go through on daily basis. In those days, now latrocian they follow. But when they follow latrocian, that's why they tell you. You know they mix up with people if like say they don't get anything that they do. You must get yourself busy to make this thing. See this fish when I go buy for market. So this fish when you see so when I go later cut now put for this banga soup and banga de fire soup. And as they follow me up like this, you yourself go still to cook banga soup so that don't say tomorrow one person will come make yanga for you because all these girls they get some kind characters. Me and your mama said they get some misunderstanding. If you get the ass now, you just best go inside room. Me I no go just to kitchen. Now they say If I see cook finish, she has said she know they can shop the food. You know the shopper, and that's also you go now to cook. So, but the expenses for here, this one now. Only the crayfish be this one. Yes. When I will cut the fish, I will count them, both the meat, I will count them because kind things. The way whether if I sleep, they come kitchen for the night. If I sleep, they come kitchen. Then if I don't sleep finish, go come kitchen, now they try to tell me.
Why are you taking the personal now? Well, you ask very gently.
If you know they come kitchen, okay, because the other time, so you get what they call how do they call this way they say fish? This the egg. The egg where there's other fish that time, so I not see the egg. Let me personally keep that egg. I not see. You said they eat fish egg. That they eat fish egg now. Go bring that come and cut this fish.
They can't keep it.
So you need this food now. So this food not be food that they carry. They turn any year. As I take cook as I say serve come out so now that will go eat. If I will come back, I don't take spoon take turn now. You can't say.
Bro, I think he's a rough guy, very rough.
You know, believe since 20th of December, I never see my babe.
That's a power for your guy.
I dey call, they bounce my call, bro. Like, bro, Jesus! I'm gonna what? So, you are cheating on me with him? How much is this? How much you get that for this? You are cheating on me with him? You leave me when I don't get anything. How much you think you have? How much do you think? She's in a play.
Money.
Photo.
What be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Doing all the job.
He shock you. Oh, I'm not too much.
You don't know why it's going on.
I'll never be broken, man.
What's because
You're very brave, man. Very brave. When are you free for me to take you out to shop, change your hair,
5 p.m. is fine.
5 p.m.
You fit give me advice. I block you on top of the same advice.
We are in business now. Like we need like 7 billion, like 7 zillion customers.
Saloba. Speedy will not kill me. Children will not put me to shame. And they hear you, Tom.
Don't let your boyfriend stop you from meeting your future husband.
Really?
I will lie for you.
I'll try.
Abiyala.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Don't let your boyfriend stop you from meeting.
What do you know, Bobo?
Yeah, why?
How are you? What's your name? Olamide. Any duroro. Olamide. Come and help me about Jesus. Olamide. Do you realize I'm the caretaker of this house?
So who you take care of?
Don't worry, I'm going to take care of you.
Now you are talking. What do you want to buy?
Help me buy gariri. Guru papa.
Okay. See person will not fit take care of himself. No be me and you go dey suffer for the drink garri with guru and papa.
The woman, the girl that I get, I be the pikin, I be the lady. Finish this one. You want to
How far I keep you doing now? I define what's up? I beg. I need the favor from you. In the one day we say I carry this night like this, and tomorrow morning the game will come. And I have 100% assurance say this game will come. And at 200k I won't win. So if you people me like 10k now, I will use and give you 20k tomorrow morning if I don't.
Bet is one of the easiest.
See, man, not lie you. I don't get that kind of money. Why I borrow you? You hear me so?
You see this game where they talk about? I bath so before I carry that game, and I get assurance say go come.
You bath so. Meow this was more the bath soap. May you not go bath your glory come out. Nevertheless, I say I not get 10k why I borrow you.
What they do like? Wait, who be that man? Madman. Well, that's a chicken in hand. What's it? Let's go achieve and take guy today.
Madman food. After the Bitcoin don't drop, Abi, we are fast go straight down with mix up NG. You know, say these people they are fast and reliable when it comes to buying and selling of all kinds of gift cards, Bitcoin, in fact, all kinds of cryptocurrency. Go straight down with them. course, man.
Bad man, that's the reason I still come with order the right jet. You also need some sound. Don't even.
Jesus!
You have not seen anything. Here will kill you
Man, bring him, man.
You think so they wine?
Thief.
Mazi, how you take no?
Now we did run am before now. Come for tutorials, eh? Explain the course in your colleague. Adjawaya. Yes. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Adjawaya. Criminal, we never know anything. I say good.
No do again.
I said I'm sorry, now forgive me.
I said I no do again, now by force.
Please.
Madam, hold this thing first. When I start this relationship, Abi, when I want end up, you no go end up. Nobody they go anywhere. Nobody they come out. You start something, you no won't finish them.
You're not tying the rope here.
You tell me tie the rope.
Bring it up small. Tie it very well.
You mean bring it up, but you don't go bring you don't go bring person who go tie me and you at.
This is not spiritually or physically.
This one will be like the wall for my back. If I knock you, yeah. At the top with the tire. Stop me when I lose this thing.
You cannot lose it. Let's be going on. Thank you very much.
They are also okay. You will be at the wall. I also okay. I can't lose this, you know.
Let's go.
Let's go. You and who they go? Come.
You cannot leave me, baby.
You both are laughing because they know what they are doing is crazy, guys. Let's see. Tommy.
Where you there? You carry my rent for how many years? Why you the plan to give me my rent money? I said, why you the plan to give me my husband? You dey what? Jesus. Why you the plan to give me my rent money? I'll come meet you for this place again. Make I come meet you. Go find money, give me. Go and walk. You spend money. You say this new year. Now me and you for this compound. Now me and you for this house.
That's too hard now. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Yeah, where that woman?
You're here with our money.
She know the.
Yeah, who be that? What's your boy won't break down my house?
Landlady, you remember that day when I no get money? You tell me water. Nah, I don't get your money. I won't pay you your house rent. Where your account number?
8022 1682.
Okay. I don't send them.
Okay, the money never come. I never receive that. So you go sit down here. When the money come, before you go come up for this company. If not today, man, you go pull leg for 1,000. You see this your trouser? Go pull leg inside.
I go sit down too.
Okay, sit down here. Make we wait for the money to come.
Now wow.
Okay, the money never still come.
Landlady, call that account number again.
8022.
Are you sure you have the money?
1682.
Or you just learn, take transfer?
That 82 I go put 83.
Hey, you put 83. Okay, where my money?
Calm down, I'm gonna call that number and I go put 0. I'm gonna call the number. Hello?
Hello?
Good afternoon, ma. Sorry, good evening, ma.
All of the above.
Ma, please, I sent 150,000 to your account. Can you help us send back the money?
Okay, let me check. I'll call you back.
She said she will come back.
Okay, see, make it better check, send you that money, oh. You see today, now me and you go send me that money. If not, today, this company not gonna enter me and you. I think you come here, they run your mouth. They talk because you won't pay me rent. What you do for this house? How many years? You don't feel pay rent. You see you. Vicky.
Hello?
Hey, my brother, thank you. You have saved a soul. I will pay all my children's school fees. Thank you, my brother. God bless you.
Hey, it don't happen. No. Bring your phone first.
Village, they follow this one. Okay, we see people. Village, like, do you understand what happened there? I heard boom boom. Does it mean that the money reversed to that woman's account, or he has other money in his account? You know, he sent it twice. The first one didn't go at first. maybe that one don't go now, and that one don't already go. Now he can't lose now. Landlady has received her money. Do you guys understand what I'm trying to say? MC Tommy is finished. Thank you guys for watching this amazing comedy compilation video, and I want to say a very big thank you to many of you out there who have watched this content till this extent. If you watch this content till this extent, right, I watched till the end. I watched till the end. Write it in the comment box below. That will make me know that you actually see me here, like you actually heard what I said. So that is for that, and hope you've subscribed and turn on post notification bell icon. In case you've not tried to do that, share it to all your followers, all your friends, and all the social media platform. Yes, so what is your favorite moment? The comment section is wide open. I wouldn't waste your time now. Just comment what you feel about this comedy compilation, because we have a lot of funny scenes, very, very funny scenes. Whenever I think about this comedy, I must laugh. Like, I can't hold my peace. I can't hold my laughter. Nice boy and his wife, pregnant wife, who were perambulating the street, perambulating road to and fro, because Nice boy was stingy, or he was trying to avoid too much expenses, all those kind of things. I don't know, but it's very funny whenever I think about it. And at the end of the day, I think he was going to spend more than what he was running from. Pennywise, pound foolish there. That is for that, honestly. And this other guy, I know a lot of people can witness this. A lot of people can attest to this. Whenever you want to buy something for, and you go to the pharmacy, instead of it to just say it, just CD. Is there anyone that doesn't know CD? Are you a baby that is afraid to say, I want to buy condom? Are you afraid to say that? No. You get to the pharmacy and you're trying to play saint, trying to be a God child, trying to be a God's child. And at this point in time, when you're trying to like pretend to be a holy boy, other customers are tripping in the shop. You don't want them to hear what you want to buy. You just like, please attend to them. You just want to be alone with the pharmacist so that you can, order what you want to buy, all those kind of things. But at the end of the day, as you are trying to claim or trying to pretend to be good, or trying to avoid people hearing what you want to buy, let me say your pastor walked in and your pastor ordered for condom. What will you do? I think this guy, the way he would just come out with his full chest to order for condom, everything, he will never be shy anymore, because the person he was trying to like hide his character, hide his lifestyle from, is already showing him his, and it's something else. All right, guys, let me say I'm done for this review. We're gonna see and talk about more comedy reviews on our next comedy compilation. For now, I think we're calling it a day. Have a wonderful time and stay blessed.